Hey everybody, Ed here. Getting ready to pull out of the Pilot. Going to get a tarp to wrap that shed up all the way. I got an A-frame underneath the first tarp. I got it to where it sheds the water and or the snow, but we're supposed to get more snow and rain. Therefore, this lady wants to know that this shed is secured. So, that's my little adventure for today. Heading the Home Depot or Lowe's, doesn't matter. I just need a big tarp. Watch how good we wrap this one today. We're not playing. When she wants it done, you said, do it. Therefore, she's doing exactly what she's supposed to do. Insurance always wants you to do your duty to make sure it's secure and nothing gets hurt any worse than it already did. Right now, it's just a structure. Maybe not anything inside because it's exterior equipment that's inside. But that being said, we are right here. I don't think this lets me flip the camera. It doesn't. Not on this style. I don't know why. But until next time, the pro you need to know. We're going to Home Depot or Lowe's to get that. I'm thinking 16 by 20 tarp. A big one. A super big one. Until next time. Like, share, and